This might be our train.
The yard destroyed. Look at that Union Pacific. They just knocked that thing senseless. And there's a train just sitting there waiting.
Okay, there's the old tower. It's knocked down.
I know. Here we are in Vegas.
You gotta tell what tower that is, bud.
Well, what do you think tower it is? Two.
Okay, I guess we're not gonna lose any money because I can't go to the casino. Sorry, Leon. I really wanted to go, but I can't because they'll leave me here and the train will keep going and then I'll have to fly into Salt Lake City. There's the conductor over there. The yardman.
Wow, this is very interesting. And that's the Zephyr, by the way. And then our train is, if you can see it, right there. Look. Yep, 242. We've been on that the third time now.
We have?
Yeah.
Oh.
Bye for now, guys. Day is the same day. We find Amtrak 551 switcher going to switch us on the back of the Zephyr. See, and here's all kinds of other stuff. And there's that guy going down there somewhere to do something. Bye. Go ahead, Dad.
That's the Mormon Center there in Salt Lake City. Okay, here goes the helper.
That's in the middle of your picture. Well, same night, morning. There he is.
Should be talking.
He's getting the coupler ready. Totally hooked up, people.